Prime Cabinet Secretary, Your Excellency Musalia Mudavadi. Aka what? Si mnajua tunamuitanga ma-DVD. Mnaona vile ako smart leo. He is very smart in his Masai Ken and his outfit. I'm sure we are going to go and do penalty. Na mimi najua nitamgonga. Mimi najua nitagonga Musalia. So, Your Excellency, I know because you are my boss, I'm sure you'll forgive me. Nikipiga hiyo penalty upande yangu. And you know you are not supposed to win against your boss. So, hapo mtanifundisha vile nitafanya, si ndio? Yes, Your Excellency, thank you very much for coming here for this very auspicious occasion. I want to take this moment to thank the Governor of Narok County, my good friend, Olen Tutu. We did serve together with him in the 11th Parliament. And by also God's plan, we were in the same committee, the Security Committee. Najua yeye alikuwa nafikiri administrator hapo kwa serikali. Si ndio hiyo? So he was one of our key members in the Committee of Security. And thereafter, of course, we became friends. Tumekuja hapa tunakula ng'ombe na mbuzi ya Wamasai sana. Kwa sababu wao Wamasai ni watu wakarimu. Na ninajua hata leo tuko na chakula pahari ametayarisha. So Your Excellency, the Governor for this county, this is one of the beautiful counties we have in this country. And the choice of this particular venue, Your Excellency, our chief guest, is very good for me, and I am happy. Around, I'm sure the seven, the wonders, the eighth wonder, I'm sure we might have time to go there. I feel a bit cheated because having come up here, I would have wanted to rush to Masai Mara, one of our very good, quiet places. But I know we will have opportunity to come once again. Your Excellency, you can see the teams are very geared for this particular event. They are well prepared. I want to thank the organizers, WASCO, very much for a good job. WASPA, these particular water sector teams, I'm surprised they're also going across the borders